Hello, let's do a quick Vlookup. Equal sign, Vlookup. Double click on the icon here, or click on the tab key. Look up value. I want to look at this value here. So click on this value. Comma for the next criteria. Table array. I want to look at this value in this table array here. Alright. I want you to lock the table now by clicking F4. Comma for the next criteria, column index number. So I want to look at the open price on the 17/07/2019, and the open price is on the second column here. So these are columns and these are rows. So it's the second column. So the date's on the first, opens on the second. So column number 2, comma for the next criteria, and I want an exact match. So double click on the false here. Close parentheses, enter. And let's just check that. The open price for the 17th of July 2019 is 57.52. And yes, that's correct. And now what I want to do is just drag this down here. Let's just verify the price for the 9th of August 2019. 52.88. Yes, I'm happy with that. So I want to now pull this across so I can get the low data for this date and the volume data as well. And as you can see, I was able to pull this formula down because I referenced this table array by hitting F4. And the way I'm looking at the formula here is by opening the formula by clicking F2. Okay. So over here, as you can see, I've got an A sign. So if we open the formula by clicking F2, I don't want to reference the open. I want to reference the date as we did for the open, okay? So just drag that across again. And the low is not on the second column, is it? The low is on the fourth column. So column number 1, 2, 3, 4. So we want to change this 2 here to number 4. Okay. And just hit enter. Drag this down again to capture the other values, and then on here we want to do the same thing. Hit F2 to open the formula, drag this across with your mouse for the dates, and let's just change here the number 2 to capture the volumes, which is in column, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I just want to put a 7 in here. Enter. Drag this down for the other values, and let's just verify this data. So on the 9th of August 2019, the low was 52.37. 52.37, that's fine. And the volume was 724,762. 724,762. Okay, I'm happy with that. All right, so there you go. Vlookup. Thanks very much. See you next time.